420 Things Grow in Ontario. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen, and today we have a different kind of video today. What do you say? You've probably seen the link in the description. We're going to be announcing some giveaway stuff. So what we have here is a bunch of stuff. So my wife is always complaining that I have too much stuff here, and wow, she may be right. Don't want to know. I agree with you. She doesn't watch my videos. So what we're going to do is, I appreciate the support and love everybody gives me in this channel, but YouTube's always weird with their guidelines and rules and stuff like that. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be moving and creating a second channel. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to post all my, it's going to be 420 Things Grow, just like my Instagram. If you want to follow me on Instagram, check me out there at 420 Things Grow. And I'm going to do that, and I'm going to keep all the grow videos over there, so that if there's ever where YouTube goes, your content, blah, 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 okay, well, it won't be on this channel anymore, okay? So this channel is going to be strictly non-restrictive over 18 stuff, whether that be unboxings, whether it be tech stuff, whether it be conversations, lives. I'm supposed to be getting better in it here. I'm going to start doing some lives, giveaway stuff, all things that are not marked as content that's not good for everybody, I guess. Well, anyways, the over 18 stuff, right? So I'm going to move it all there. So I'm going to do that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to post some older videos from this channel for each one of these giveaway items, okay? I'm not going to tell you which one. It's going to be a trick, so you're going to have to go over there, and what it's going to do is it's going to take you a little bit of time. You're going to watch the video, you're going to like the video, you're going to subscribe to the new channel publicly, because when we do the draw for this, we're going to do it on a live, and we're going to do it live, and we're going to check the names, and we're going to make sure everybody's following the directions, and those directions are: head on over to the new channel, subscribe publicly, and put a like on one of the videos, and put a comment on one of those videos. Each item will have a video. So I'm only going to put as many items as we're giving away. Those will be the first X amount of videos on my channel. So you'll have to like all of them if you want more chances to win. Because if you only go on one video and like, well, maybe you win this item. Or maybe you'll win this item. Got a lot of items here. So let's go over the items, okay? So the first item, this is and listen, a couple of these items are used, okay? They're not brand new. This is here you go. No warranty, no nothing like that, guys. These are just items that I've had that I've used this one not that much, but I used it in my 2x4. This one I used just to blow some air around in here one day. But again, these are all items that are just free for me to you. Okay, so a controller 67. So this has got the Bluetooth, and you can hook up and control that stuff with the app. So that's kind of cool. Right here we got the T24. This is it's like their halo light, like the square, right? But it's the double, okay? And all the wires and crap that goes with that, which you could use this controller, or, if you have one of those controllers, you can use one of those controllers, or if you have the 69, you can use that too, all right? So we have the AC Infinity CLT6, Cloudline T6. This also has like the controller like this, which is you can hook up to your Wi-Fi and control that. It's got all the stuff that goes with it, all the plugs, that's a sensor, cool book, everything. That's also going to be another item. All right, and then to keep it on the AC Infinity tip, we have an AC Infinity self-watering fabric pot base. This is 4 of them in here, brand new, not used. That's going out to somebody as well. That's cool, right? Also, we're at another light that I have that's been sitting around. I'm going to probably give it a clean because this one has been through the paces. But it's a Vipar Spectre XS1000, I think is the number here. Regardless of any of that, it's a decent little light that you can put in, a 2x2, a clone light, whatever you want to use for it. It's got the dial. I use this. I'm no longer using it, so why not give it back to the community? Yeah. So let's count the items. 1, vase. 2, controller. 3, light. 4, exhaust fan. 5, fabric pot base. And 6, a Vipar Spectre light. So this is one of the biggest giveaways I've done. I'm going to keep this to US and Canada. I'll put that, you've probably already seen that in the video because I put it across the bottom. This is open to US and Canada only. I don't really know how to ship overseas, but I hear a lot of people are having issues with it. So, yeah. So guess what? That's 6 opportunities for 6 items that range from, I don't know what the controller 67 is worth, but the bong is well over 100 Canadian. The light is well over 300 Canadian. That light's probably over 100. This is, I think, over 100 too, I think. And that's 49. So I guess from 49 American all the way up. But there's quite a few items here. So if you could, head on over to my new channel. Like one of the first 6 videos. Comment on one of those first 6 videos. And you will be entered into this. So because this is quite a bit, and quite it is, you know, I'm going to give everybody some time here. I'm going to be uploading the videos here. This one will be the first video. And by the time I do this video, there will be 6 videos over on my new channel. Just trying to get some following over there, guys and girls. Likes and subscribes and, you know, all that stuff. So, yeah. Maybe I'll do 5. You know what? I am going to only do 5. I'm going to do 5 items. Why? Because this item here, I'm going to give out on Instagram only. So I'm going to do a post on this specifically. Sorry, guys. If you're seeing this video, you're going to have to go over to Instagram, do some extra work. Follow me over there and do whatever the, you know, whatever the rules are for that. Again, US and Canada only. But a lot of cool stuff. I've used it. I've used some of it. These are all good products. There's nothing wrong with this stuff, so it's all working. Head on over to those videos, like them, thumbs up them, put a comment in, and tell your friends. Don't try to hold it to yourself. Let everybody know. But again, there will be a set time, and I should have it in this video's description of the rules. So check the rules, make sure you follow them, because when we do the live in the next month or so, a month and a half, maybe we'll time it for a certain day. I'll have to look at the dates. And then if you don't follow the rules and you get drawn on the live with one of them spinny wheel things, and you don't, you're in the live, and I can you know, talk to you right then and there, perfect. But if not, and I reach out to somebody, they're like, no, I live in Germany. I'm not going to be able to send it to Germany, so I'll have to re-roll at a later date. But I want to give all this stuff away. All right, ladies and gentlemen, head on over there, like, subscribe, and do all that jazz. Yeah.